Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to take a quick look at icons, and we are going to implement a little heart icon into this button. Now, in terms of these glyphs that we have, it's extremely important to realize that icons, let's say you're using 20 icons on your site, it's really important not to load in 20 different images. The reason being is that we generate more HTTP requests. So if I bring up the network tab here and give this a refresh, we're using an icon for the responsive nature of the navigation, which means that we have the little icon when we resize. So we've got this little icon here. Now, if we were using 20 icons, we'd be generating 20 additional HTTP requests, which is really going to slow down our site. Instead, we load in where are you? Let's go ahead and pull up our file here. We load in this image here, and you can see this is the one you were using for the menu, and this is called a CSS sprite sheet. So it means that instead of loading in all of the images, we're using one image and then we're just choosing where this is. So this here we could sort of muck around with. Can you see that that's moving, and we're bringing in a new icon? And all of these icon classes just have different background positions, and that just puts the icon that you want in place. So I want to add an icon, and this is how flexible Bootstrap is. I want to add an icon just before this. So let's go ahead and bring up my code, and I'm going to say in here, I class equals icon heart. Refresh, and there we go, we're done. Okay, so we've now included the heart icon, the black heart icon, in here. Now I don't want that to be black, so I can just say icon white. So we're sort of switching from the black sprite sheet to the white sprite sheet, and there we go, we've got a white icon. So this is brilliant. I mean, you can download icon packs, or glyph packs as they're called, anywhere really. So you can implement whatever you want into your site. It doesn't really matter, to be honest. But you know, it's just one of them things that's extremely easy and fast as well, because you're only downloading, you know, a couple of images rather than the 20 images that you might be using for different icons. So these can be implemented anywhere. So let's say I just wanted like you know, an icon next to a header here or up here. It can be done. The alternative option is to have a font file which contains icons within the font file, and you have specific characters that resolve to these icons. I'm not an expert on fonts and everything like that, but they are extremely easy to implement too. But if you're just using Bootstrap to sort of mock everything up, or you want these small icons, that's it. That's as easy as that.